Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Craig Silliman. He is the president at Verizon Global Services. Craig, it's fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
It's so great to be here. Thanks for the invitation, Judy.
Thank you. So, Craig, tell me, how are you using technology at distribution centers and call centers to boost efficiencies?
We're using technology in so many different ways, Judy, and we have for a long time. Of course, nowadays we're all talking about generative AI. That's the buzz. But AI's been around for a long time, and we've been using AI, blockchain, robotics for more than a decade now. And we're using it to offload these tasks from our employees that are fairly tedious, that can be done better by machines and technology, so that our employees can focus on what humans do best in serving our customers.
And how has this impacted the customer experience?
Ideally, if we do it well, the customer's not even going to realize the technology we've implemented, but it's going to improve their experience. Because if you think about a customer service rep, there's so many different things and questions they may have to answer for you as a customer. So what we're trying to do is serve up to them information in real time so that they can listen to you as the customer while the technology is giving them the answers to your questions. And so for you, you're in and out of your call more quickly, you get relevant, accurate answers to your questions, and ideally our customer service rep is really focused on being empathetic and focusing on you while the technology does its job in the background.
So, have you put any of these practices into place, and what are the results?
Yep, we have over 3 dozen AI use cases right now in production across the company. We have robotics in all of our major distribution centers. We're using blockchain in our supply chain. And the results are better efficiency, better employee experience, and better customer experience. We've seen it in our financials. We're reducing our working capital, and we're seeing better results overall.
Now, Craig, tell me, how will Verizon become the first AI-enabled telecom company in the near future?
We are doing this because it's an all-of-company effort here. And I think the most important thing with all technology is you don't want to just chase a technology for technology's sake. What we're doing is focusing on real business problems. How do we solve issues for customers and pick the right technology to fix those problems? And so we have things in pilot, we have things in production, all with the end of making the best customer experience and the best employee experience.
All right, and finally, Craig, tell me, what's your differentiator compared to your peers in Verizon's AI journey?
One of the things we're really lucky to have at Verizon is an immense amount of data. Just from our network alone, we are ingesting 70 billion data points a day from our network. We're taking all that data and we're on a journey to put it in a format that we can really use it effectively. Everyone's talking about AI, but AI is only as good as the underlying data and the structure of that data. And so our advantage is the volume of data we have and the discipline we're bringing to putting that data in a form that can bring great business insights.
Craig, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks so much, Judy. Appreciate it.